Hello, I'm going to take you behind scenes of Crystal Sims Studio. This is how I created the painting called Tranquility. I used four colors to make this painting. I used a blue, a white, and two different types of gold. One gold, when it dries, it has glitter that's embedded inside of the paint, so it really pops once that color dries, and it normally takes about, I would say, 48 hours. Um, so what I'm doing here is I'm adding like my finishing touches onto the canvas and giving it a swirl around until I feel like it's just right and perfect. And I let it dry for 48 hours. I then decide on which crystal really fits the canvas, and I went with this blue agate, and I'm gluing the back of it using the glue Gorilla Glue. So be careful with this glue, okay? Make sure you have gloves and you work quickly. Use a little bit at a time because it does glue pretty fast. So I'm putting down my signature. I use a crystal at the end. But voila, this is what you have right here. It's Tranquility, 8 by 10, like I said. And thank you so much for watching and joining me behind the scenes on how I made this painting.